Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage print of both side settings in the i-Fax on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, we want to go over to the function settings and now go to receive and forward. Here we're gonna go into the i-Fax settings, and right here we will have an option to print on both sides. So if we want to enable it, then we simply click on, and now this setting is automatically applied, so we do not have to worry about confirming it somewhere else. And if we want it disabled, then we simply click on it again and click on the off instead of on. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.